Good morning students. Yesterday we have finished up to 24 questions. Today we will deal next one. Okay. See next one that will cancer. Okay. Next topic we are going to take here cancer. Okay. 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 See, can everybody see this one? Okay. Spread of cancerous cells to the distinct sites, okay, is property exhibited by, there are two types of cancer, remember you people, one is benign, one is a malignant. A benign is restricted to the sites, whereas a malignant, which is going to spread from one part of the body to the other part of the body. As a result, answer will be here. So it is going to spread, it is a cancerous, okay, whereas a benign you can't call as cancerous. Now only your malignant can be called as cancerous, okay. So it is going to spread from the one part of your body to the another part of the body. This is called as metastasis, okay. So this ability is called as metastasis. That metastasis is mainly shown by the malignant tumor, okay, malignant neoplasm. Okay, chemotherapy, okay, and you know the diagnosis. Okay, diagnosing the cancers by using a certain anti-drugs, that is called as chemotherapy. A chemotherapy is a part of a regeneration, no. Transfer of cancer cell from one part to the another, no. Fast mitosis in the cancer cells, no. Mode of the treatment of cancer, yes, it is a mode of the treatment in the cancer, okay. Cancer treatment, radiotherapy, chemotherapy, which I already told, by using the anti-drugs you are going to treat the cancer. One thing I want to tell you people, and really see, you people really don't know that you having that plant, okay, any drug produce ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ರಿ cancerous drug, ಆ cancerous drug produce ಮಾಡುವಂತ plant ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಇದೆ. In your own home only you got those plants. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು. Which plant, ma'am? Is it in our home? Everybody's home. It's just grows like a weed. ಕಸ ಬೆಳೆದಂಗೆ ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? Periwinkle. ಬಟ್ಲು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಲ್ಲ, periwinkle. It mainly having a certain alkaloids. That is vincristine and vinblastine, okay, which is using as these vincristine and vinblastine is mainly taking those alkaloids as a drugs, okay. So remember, it is acting as a drugs for the cancerous, okay. So treating your cancerous by using the anti-cancerous drugs, which is called as chemotherapy, okay. Radiotherapy, same again. What is radiotherapy? We'll see what they are going to do. Okay, radiotherapy is used. Okay, radiotherapy is used for, okay, destroying antibodies, no. Targeting the oncogenes to convert them into the proto-oncogenes, no. Scanning the body for tumors, treating the cancers by controlled exposure to the radiations, yes. Okay, means you are going to treat the cancer here by exposing the certain dangerous radiations such as X-rays radiations, which I told, for killing the cancers, particularly cancerous cells, okay. Such type of therapy is called as radiotherapy, okay. Next come, select the disease against which a vaccine is not available. Still there is no available of vaccine, it is, which is that you people already know, that is AIDS. AIDS vaccine till now, there is no vaccine for the AIDS till now, okay. So polio, you got polio vaccine, it is a live attenuated vaccine. I already know what is live attenuated. TB, yes, BCG vaccine. Measles, yes, it is also having a live attenuated vaccine, okay. Now cancers that does not form a specific tumor from the following is, it doesn't form any specific tumor in the body. What type of cancer is? It is will be a leukemia. It doesn't causes a tumor, just it goes on increasing the white blood cells, okay. That is leukemia, okay. Next we will move. Drug abuse, okay. Drug abuse, okay. Opiate narcotic is, which is here opioids you have seen, opioids narcotic, which among these are opioids they are asking, okay. See, next we will see, okay. Whether the bang, whether the charas, whether the heroin or whether the nicotine they are asking. Here answers will be be a heroin. Okay. Why? Remember the heroin. Heroin is a narcotic which is an acting as painkiller. Remember, morphine, diacetylation of morphine itself called as heroin. Okay. Heroin mainly it is a sedative drug. Okay, which depress your central nervous system. I already told that. Okay, so heroin is acting as narcotic analgesic. Okay, which is acting as painkiller. Okay, so answer here will be heroin. Okay, next comes. Okay, next. Okay, see here the drug that functions as the depressant of central nervous system. Which among these drugs depress your central nervous system? They are asking. Amphetamine? No. Caffeine? No. Opium? Okay. Yes. Answer will be opium. Okay. Your answer is opium. Cocaine is a stimulant. Caffeine is the stimulant, and your amphetamine is also what? It is also acting as stimulant. Okay. These three are stimulant. Amphetamine, caffeine, and cocaine will be a stimulant which increase the energy in your body, which releases the sympathetic nervous system in your body. Which helps in the do the functions of sympathetic nervous system. Okay, so your answer will be a opium, which is acting as depressant. I have already told you before. Which of the following is a narcotic drug? They are asking about analgesic narcotic drug. Okay, heroin, yes. Codeine, yes. Morphine, yes. All about three are correct. Okay. Next come. Morphine is obtained from. You people know. I already told. Please remember about plants. So morphine is mainly obtained from poppy plant called as Papaver somniferum. Okay. Opium is obtained. Again they are asked. Morphine is nothing but morphine is also obtained from the same plant only. Again opium is obtained from. They are asking. Again the answer will be a Papaver somniferum. Okay. Next we will see the disease in which blood stained mucus filled stools are seen in. Remember the whatever the disease I told, those it is one of the characteristics of amoebosis disease, which is caused by Entamoeba histolytica, which directly affects into your intestine, large intestine. As a result, it causes the large amount of ulcers in the intestine, just like lesions. Okay, so as a result, when it causes the lesions, it ruptures the blood vessels. So as a result, what happens whenever there is the excretion of the stools will be having a blood stained stools. Okay, blood stained stools you are going to excrete. Those will be one of the symptoms of the disease that will be amoebosis. Okay, leukemia can be diagnosed through. How can you know that it is a leukemia? By blood cell count you can diagnose the leukemia. Means you people, I am already told, in your body the leukocytes number will be a constant. So that leukocyte number constant should be remains in the normal person, it will remains constant. Okay, so what happens, the diseased persons can be show the beyond those number, or sometimes they can show the less in the number. If they show the less in the number, they are called as leukopenia. If they show the more in the number, then they are called as a leukemia. Okay, now the leukemia can be diagnosed. You can test by with the help of blood cell count. Okay, radiation is the health hazard because it causes what? Okay, it causes the leukemia. Remember the radiations. Okay, when you are having a harmful radiations in your body, it also causes the skin cancer, but it also causes what? Once it enters into the body, it can also causes the blood cancer, which is a leukemia. Okay, antigen binding site is found in where the antigen goes and binds. It goes and binds to the antibodies, not an antibiotics or not an antigens. Next one. Lymphoid tissue is found in. Where the lymphoid tissue is found in? It's found in thymus? Yes. It's found in tonsils? Yes. Lymph nodes? Yes. So answer will be all A, B and C here. Okay. Among the following, the high risk of getting HIV infection is for which people having a high risk here, they are asking here. Okay. Individuals who have multiple sex, obviously they are having a high risk. Drug addicts who take a drug intravenously, means with the help of injections, yes, obviously they are having a high risk. Children born to the HIV infected mother, yes, they are also having high risk. So all three of them are having a high risk. So answer will be all the options A, B and C. Next, the cancer from the following is, okay, yes, which among these are cancers they are asking, okay. So is it emphysema is cancer? No, emphysema is nothing but which is a characteristics of your effect of the what smoking. It is a one type of the symptoms who people shows the heavy amount of tobacco smoking. Emphysema means shortness in the breathing, very difficulty in the breathing anta artha. Okay. Next, leukemia. Yes, answer is yes. Leukemia means it is a cancer of, it is a white blood cell cancer. Okay. Thrombosis, no. Uremia, no. So answer is leukemia. Of the following dash is not the opioid narcotic. Among these, which is not an opioid, they are asking. Morphine is an narcotic? Yes. Okay. Cocaine? No. Cocaine is acting as stimulant. Opium? Yes. Heroin? Yes. Okay. The most harmful of cigarette smoking is, the most harmful effect of cigarette smoking is, they are asking. Getting a baldness? No. By smoking you are getting a baldness? Smoke no. The answer is wrong. Baldness, no. Yellowing of eyes, no. Liver cirrhosis, exactly. So what happened? They are asking about liver cirrhosis happens by drinking a heavy amount of alcohol. Remember, because a liver is the organ which helps in the metabolism of the alcohol. So alcohol, by drinking a heavy amount of alcohol, you are getting a liver cirrhosis. Whereas by smoking the cigarette, you are getting a lung cancer. Directly it goes and affects for your lung, because exactly it affects to your alveoli. So alveoli should be having a large cavity. Within that large cavity, what happened? One of the carcinogen tar goes and deposits there. Okay. Once the tar goes and deposits there, what happened? Now the whatever the space that is present in the alveoli will get reduced. As a result, there happens the shortness of breathing. The people can't breathe correctly. Okay, and there will, what happened? The oxygen deficiency the oxygen can't take, the correct amount of oxygen cannot be carried from the lungs to the body. Okay, getting my point? Okay. The liver damage by alcohol due to why? Fat deposition in the liver. Getting my point? Okay. Okay. The liver damage of alcohol is due to the fat deposition in the liver. I will show you people. Okay. What happens if how the liver cirrhosis happens? I will show you. Yes. Can everybody see this image? Okay. Okay. How exactly happens? One after the stages I have shown you. Okay. See, alcoholic liver disease directly goes and affects to the liver. Remember, healthy liver. How healthy liver looks? Healthy liver looks exactly in this manner. They are telling the liver is the largest gland. In your body, the largest gland will be a liver. Responsible for the functions such as protein synthesis and the detoxifying the chemicals. When the healthy, it is a reddish brown in color. Okay, which is rubbery texture. It mainly having a rubbery texture. Okay, rubbery like rubber like structure it having. Okay, it is when it is unhealthy, it having a reddish brown in color. What happened when the person starts drinking the alcohol? Okay, the fatty liver begins to become a damaged from an excess of alcohol intake. Okay, it begins to get a yellow tone and becomes greasy like appearance. Okay, and it can be reversible because in this time the treatment can be available. Okay, once again you can make it as a normal, it can be reversible. But what happens if it is chronic? Okay, if it is longer period, if the people started having to take alcohol for the longer period, now ultimately they are going to show the liver cirrhosis, cirrhotic livers. Okay, what happened in cirrhotic liver? Can everybody see those loops like structure appearance? Liver cirrhosis leads to the severe scarring, scars like structure, scarring like structure. Okay, a severe scarring due to the long-term damage resulting in the bumpy like appearance. Can everybody see this one? They are showing like bump like appearance. The healthy liver tissue the scar tissue, causing the liver to eventually fail. What happens when the person goes on drinking? Now the healthy liver goes on turning into the liver cirrhosis. Their tissue get completely damaged, and it is not a curable. Your own tissue doesn't get curable. If that a person want to diagnose, means ultimately he should go for liver transplantation only. Remember, okay? Next one. Okay, we'll go back. Okay. Next one we'll see. Last one we'll see that among the following, see, you people already know. Okay, liver damage by alcohol is due to the fat deposition in liver. Okay. Among the following, selects the hallucinogen. Hallucinogens means what? Which is unrealistic imagination in those people. They are having a perception of unrealistic imaginary world. Okay, I've already told, chars, bong and ganja, if it is over limited, okay, you are going to take in very excess amount. Now these which are coming under your cannabinoids, okay, now these cannabinoids can act as hallucinogen if they are going to take in excess amount. So remember, charas, bang and ganja, both these three act as hallucinogen when they are taking in excess amount. Okay, so answer will be all A, B and C. Okay, they are going to have a different type of their own imaginary world. Okay, I have told how they get happens in previous world and heading. So the remaining from 46 to I think up to 65 they are there. The remaining we will complete for next day tomorrow. Okay, thank you.